All right, so today we are training with Eli, who is late, and Samjai, who was on time. Yeah, very rare occasions for free runners.
The boy's hungry.
I also want to go eat.
Yeah. Look at this spot.
That does look quite nice.
Is that Eli?
Yep. Oh, he's here. Look at this handsome late guy right here. He's so late, but he's so handsome, so it's okay.
Look at that cut.
What up, homie? I did not mean to A-twist. Yeah. Much better.
It's a luxury.
Yeah.
Hey, so quiet.
There we go. Yep. Ooh, that's in the video.
What everyone is, so fast. Oh, the back!
Yeah, he did say he's bad.
No! Don't do that. You're great, bro. Scared me. Thought it was over.
Does that count? I don't think that counts.
Tap yourself. I didn't want it. Try to get your feet closer together or land with your knees out. Don't land these in. We all do.
Yo!
Focus on your muscles and you'll be doing this for a long time. Tricks look cool. You know what's cooler? Walking.
Walking. Fine.
Sure?
Yeah. I got them elastic Achilles, my guy.
Yeah, I saw that.
You going?
That's probably all right.
I guess you got to do it like that.
Yeah, I suppose so.
Oh! Oh! There we go. Wow! There it is. Nice. God, so good. God, so good. Sugoi. This is why you're double wall flip and I won't.
And now we flip. Oh, yeah, sure.
Ooh.
If you're lower, you don't have to take too much impact.
Big boy.
Oh, that's good. If you guys want help on like the castaway and the con gainer, practice the snap down.
Like handstand snap down? Okay.
Same exact muscle.
guys, and that's all we have for you guys today. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure you give us a thumbs up and subscribe, and make sure you hit that bell notification. We'll be releasing videos every Saturday for you guys. Oh, there it is, he's done. Yo.
The whole outro.
Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, comment something down below. It could be anything, it just really helps us out. And then again, we're trying to hit 250 subs by the end of the year. So if you guys want to help us out with that by subbing, that would be amazing, and I'd really appreciate it. So bye guys, happy Saturday.